See, I'll show you the difference. Go ahead and start it.
Crap, I'm falling.
Don't go until you feel that. No, you gotta go until you feel that click. There you go. You felt that click?
Yep.
Now you go. Remember what I told you? You got to go off the throttle, shift up, then back on. I don't think you're doing that. I think you're just keeping it the same and then trying to shift. It doesn't like that. No. So you got to go off the throttle, say, hey, I don't want to give it any more gas. Pop it up, and then get back on the gas.
So when I'm like this, I go boom.
Shift up.
Up.
Yeah, do it somewhat quick, though.
Okay.
Every time I start the camera, you stall it.
Huh?
Every time I start the camera, you stall it. Here we are on the other side of the garage. Got my brother Chris down there working on the shifter linkage. Because he put a 3-inch body lift on, he's got to extend the shifter rod, which he's messing with right there. Oh, he's already got it pulled down. Yesterday he got the fenders on, the radiator support. That gives you a better view of it. So it's a 1986 Ford F-150 or 250?
150.
150.
351 Windsor.
351 Windsor. He got the box in North Carolina off a donor truck. These fenders, I'm not sure where they came from. I mean, he also grabbed fenders from the North Carolina truck, but these were in better shape. Got them all primed up. The motor is out of a couple different vehicles, but it was most recently in 68 Ford Torino, non-fastback. Right now we just got a big block in there, 390, that he's going to be, my uncle, this is his car, he's going to be pulling that out and building a different motor, putting it in there.
For stopping by to watch an episode of Camp David. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.